Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO device to HMD Skyline. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by tapping on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Either way, when you're ready, tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of OPPO. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of HMD. Also on OPPO, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. To scan the QR code instead, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and then point it at the code. Lastly, just wait. As you can see, after that all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!